What's up, what's up? What's up, what's up, what's up? Ladies and fellas in the back, I see y'all. Nique here, and I'm back with another video. As I should say, I'm here with the house tour. I'm so excited. We finally made it here, y'all. I'm so excited to give you guys a walk around. But first, before I do that, I want to say thank you so much for supporting me and being there with me through this journey. It's just the beginning, so let's go ahead and get into it, boo. It's snowing out here, y'all. It's ridiculous. All right, y'all, we through the door. I finally got it open. So when you first walk through the door, you look up here. We have a light fixture already there, but you already know I'm going to change that. We're going to hit up Home Depot or Lowe's. Actually, Menards. I have tape right there still because they have to come back and fix some stuff. But yeah, through the front door, you come here. This is the first room. We're going to make like the dining area. Only reason I have this stuff in here is because we had started moving stuff in here the other day. And that's just the ottoman I had in my old place, so don't mind that. All this stuff is gonna be changed. But yeah, let me turn this light on. This is the front room. Okay. So now from the front room, hold on, I'm about to put my sandals on because, girl. All right, so now from that room, we enter in the family room. We're going to have a couch delivered today. I'm gonna do that in the other separate video in the vlog. So stay tuned for the vlogs so you can see how we decorate this place. I'm so excited to start this journey with y'all and start decorating with y'all. But yes, so I just hit that switch for the fireplace. This is the family room. We have two recessed lighting up here as well. We have the lights over the fireplace, which is pretty cool. I'm probably gonna do like some shelves or something right here. I don't know yet, we'll see. But I can't wait to decorate this top area. I don't know if I'm gonna do a mirror up here or if I'm gonna do like some vases. I don't know, we'll see. Y'all let me know in the comments below. I'm open to all advice. We are gonna decorate this place together. But yeah, this is the family room where we're going to put the couch and the TV right on that wall. And coming in here, this will be like the dining area, you know, kitchen area. We have the two pantry doors. Now, I think I'm gonna put like the appliances and stuff in here and then put like the spices in here. But I'm not gonna open these right now. Okay, so anyways, they actually gave us a light fixture right here in the dining room. So yeah, well, not dining room, little, what do they call it, breakfast nook? I don't know, child, something like that. But yeah, we're gonna be changing that anyways. Gonna hit up Menards. We already got stuff in here, like I said, it's looking kind of crazy. I gotta throw this stuff away. Let me put this over here. Oh my God, should have been prepared for y'all, shouldn't I? But y'all okay, we family, y'all love me, y'all, this is real. All right, so anyways, this is the island. This was extra, actually. They have to come back and fix this. It's like a little scuff mark on here. This is the island. As you can see, these are the cabinets. We got dark cabinets and we got the stainless steel package. So that came with the oven and the microwave and the refrigerator. I wish they gave us a better refrigerator, but it is what it is. But this is the kitchen area. We're gonna be whipping it up, whipping it up. You already know what time it is. Cleaning products right here. I don't even know. Mama like, what you need to clean for? This is all brand new. But I just want to make sure everything is clean. So yeah. And then we can hit a light right here. Like I said, this is stuff that I have from my old place. It's just sitting here. I'm probably gonna get that to my sister. She loves Paris. But yeah, so coming off of the kitchen area, we have like the laundry room area right here. We're going to do the you know, the washer and dryer side by side. We're gonna go pick that up today more than likely. So yeah, I'm gonna do like some wood shelves. We're gonna do like a whole laundry room makeover. So yeah, boo, make sure you subscribe so you can stay updated on the videos. Right here, you can go out to the garage and then you come right here and we have a bathroom. Let me hit this light really quick so y'all can see. But yes, we have just, you know, standard toilet where you take your boo-boos and stuff, you know what I'm saying? And we have this nice countertop. It's pretty cute. I like it. This light fixture is so ugly. I cannot wait to change that. But yeah, we have the dark cabinets in here as well. I may even change this sink out. I don't know. We're gonna be doing a lot of remodeling. Not remodeling, but a lot of makeovers, because these walls are just so white and I definitely want some accents, you know? But yeah, so they gave us these little knobs. I like these little knobs that they put on the doors. Pretty neat. But yeah, this is the first guest bathroom, well, powder room. So yeah, coming from this way from the kitchen. We're gonna go back this way and I'm going to take y'all downstairs really quick. It's nothing really downstairs right now, but just giving y'all a full walkthrough for the fam. All right, so coming downstairs, y'all, I got this picture that I had over my bar in my old place just sitting right there. But y'all already know this about to be the party area where we get down, you know? But yeah, we are going to hook this up down here, have a bathroom and a bedroom, and then we are going to have like a bar area, full bar area, and then over here we're going to have like a wine cellar underneath the staircase. Really nice. Just see the vision, see the vision, see the vision, sis. And then we're gonna cover that up because I just do not like that. I don't know why. I just feel like that's distasteful in the basement, but it is what it is. We have enough space to play with, so we're gonna make that look neat down here. And then let me hit this light because child DTE, I'm not even trying to play with them, okay? Let's go back upstairs. And now I'm going to take you guys up the stairs. Close this door for the boogeyman come out. So I know I know boogeyman, period. I'm covered in the blood of Jesus. My dad has to come bless the house too as well. All right, so going up the stairs, y'all. I'm gonna take my sandals off. Whew, I done walked up these stairs not even a whole 2 days and I'm over it. But it is what it is. Walking up the stairs, we are going to definitely hook this up. I'm thinking about putting a big mirror with like a plant or something down there. I don't know. Or maybe even some scones that like 3D scones that, you know, pop out the wall. We gonna hook it up. But it's a light right there as well. And then come right here. We'll go into the first room. This will be the guest room. We already have a bedroom set that's coming in here today. And yeah, they have a little small closet here. Regular size closet, you know, standard. They still are giving us these like cute knobs. I like that. And then you come in here. This will be the beauty room where we're gonna be doing all the videos, okay? When I tell y'all content on content, get ready for it. I'm so excited. If y'all have any video suggestions, let me know in the comments below. I'm open to that. But yeah, this will be the beauty room. We're gonna hook up and we're gonna, you know, get it going, chit-chatting it up. That is that. I got this box right here in the middle of the floor. It is like full of my hair products and my bath products. Anyways, don't mind that. This is the bathroom in here. We are going to have to put together. They have a little, still going with the dark cabinets and the same countertop as down in the powder room in the first floor. And then they have this light fixture. I don't know where they was going with this. They love this light fixture, child. But it's gonna get changed. Yep, so that's another bathroom. And then we have the linen closet here where I'm gonna have to get some baskets off of Amazon. Like everything I order for the house, I'm gonna do like an Amazon video or something like that. Or I'll have the links down in the description box below. But I'm not gonna leave y'all hanging. Everything I order, I'm gonna let y'all know if y'all like it. But yeah, so now this is the master bedroom. Our bed should be delivered, I don't know when. Furniture is so backed up right now, it's so annoying. But hopefully soon. I already got that picked out. I can't wait till y'all see that bedroom set. But this is the closet here. It's definitely a downgrade for me, but I'm gonna make it, you know, pop. You know, we're gonna make something happen, probably get some shelving units in here, but this is the closet right now. I already told y'all we already started unpacking. So yeah. All right, so this is the bathroom off of the master. We have the dark floors in here, which I really like. Have the shower right here, and then we have like an area where we can put, you know, the towels and all that type of stuff. This is gonna be our spa vibe type of bathroom though, y'all, period. I'm gonna go with like black, gray, and green in here. But yeah, have a toilet right here, you know, tub. We have a little area where we could put like our candles and like some towels, and then we may do some shelves, or I don't know, I'm gonna find some fine art to put in here. I don't know yet. Y'all let me know in the comments below. Like I said, you know, we're gonna decorate this together. But yeah, that is the bathroom in here. We are going to go back downstairs because guys, that is pretty much the end of the tour. All right, y'all, so that pretty much wraps up this house tour. Thank you so much for hanging with me. Stay tuned for the next video. I really appreciate it. You know I do, boo. So I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.